Hi everyone, welcome to our demo video. Our project is a multifunctional platform designed to improve cybersecurity through real-time traffic analysis, threat intelligence lookups, and email threat detection. What makes it stand out from the other alternatives is that we have used different machine learning models and live data monitoring to identify suspicious activities and potential threats quickly and efficiently. So we have made this project using Streamlit. We have built a user-friendly idea system. So this platform offers different features like live training, live network traffic analysis, threat intelligence lookups for IPS and domains, real-time flow detection, and attack reporting.
Okay, so then we have live detection module in which we will be capturing the user's traffic data, and we will be using our trained model, which is random forest classifier, to classify it into two classes, benign and malicious. So we click here, and then the flow capturing will be started. And as you can see, there is a confidence score which will be classifying into two flows, benign and suspicious. And then we have an analytics page to show the flow of the user's traffic data, and then the data is also capturing in the csv file, so that we can use this csv file to retrain our model on a new type of data which the model hasn't seen yet. And then we have a analytics page also to properly visualize all the data that has been saved to the csv file. Yeah, that is.
So our system processes network traffic data by labeling it as harmful and harmless for efficient trading, and we utilizing a random forest model, which is a robust algorithm for detecting threats in network flows. And to enhance transparency, we generated a dynamic feature importance plot that visualizes the contribution of each feature to the model's decision. This empowers users with insights into the critical indicators of potential acts.
So let's talk about log analysis. This feature analyzes application logs to provide a quick summary of key insights, including the total log entries, error counts, and warnings. It also showcases a preview of log data for easily debugging. With this, teams can identify critical issues and address that efficiently, ensuring the smooth application performance.
So let me tell you what this threat intelligence panel has to offer. It is asking me to enter any IP address or domain name to check whether it is malicious or not. So if I entered Microsoft.com in this, it's giving me different features. It's also classifying that is it malicious or not. It's also giving me threat score, and this is happening because of some users have already reported this particular website to be malicious.
Myself Rajan Raj. Let me show you how the mail security feature works. So once you land on this mail security page, here you have to enter your email ID, and in this inbox you have to enter your password. This password is different from your email password. This password is app password which you can get from your Gmail account. And once you hit the scan inbox button, it will go through your inbox and classify every email as benign or malicious depending on the content of the mail. It scans everything from subject, sender details to body, attachments, links, and if there is any vulnerabilities in that, it will classify it as malicious using advanced AI techniques and cybersecurity techniques too. It uses Distilbert to scan the text content of the emails. Thank you.